welcome to back. Today's topic that is first about the pelvic girdle and second that is hand leaf. Hand leaf that is the bone of leg. Okay. Hand leaf, hand means hand. So you never understand that hand limb means hand. Hand limb means that is the bone of leg. Okay. And forelimb in which we study about the bone of hand. But in hand limb we study about bone of leg. Okay. The first topic that is the pelvic girdle. Okay. And pelvic girdle that is divided into two innominate. Okay. Pelvic girdle that is divided into two halves called innominate. Okay. And each half has each one innominate, each half has one innominate. This means one innominate, each half has one innominate. This means one bone has each innominate. Okay. Pelvic girdle that is divided into two halves called innominate. Okay. This is the pelvic girdle, and pelvic girdle is divided into two halves. Each half, two halves called innominate, and each innominate, this means one bone, is formed by fusion of three bones: ilium, ischium, and pubis. Okay. Pelvic girdle that is divided into two halves called innominate, and each innominate, this means one bone of each innominate part is formed by fusion of three bones, that is the ilium, ischium, and pubis. Okay. Ilium, ischium, and pubis. Ilium bone is the widest and the longest. Okay. Ilium is the widest and the longest. Okay. That is the second is the ischium. Ischium is the lowest and strongest. Okay. Lowest and strongest is the ischium, and ilium is the widest and the longest. But this is the pubis. Okay. That is the pubis. Ilium is the widest and the longest bone. Ischium is the lowest and strongest bone. That is also the second strongest of endoskeleton. That is ischium. Ischium is the second strongest of endoskeleton. Okay. And third bone, that is the pubis. Pubis that is present between ilium and ischium. Because you know that ischium is present lowest. Ischium is present lowest and that is also strongest. So ischium is present lowest. So pubis is present between ilium and ischium. Okay. Pubis is present between ilium and ischium. Next, that is both innominate. Both innominate. This means both half of pelvic girdle, okay, attached with each other. Both half of pelvic girdle. This means pelvic girdle is divided into two halves. That is called innominate. Okay, and both innominate is attached with each other, called sacrum. Both bone is attached with each other by sacrum. Both innominate dorsally attached with each other by sacrum and ventrally attached by pubic symphysis. That is attached pubis of both innominate. Okay, pubis symphysis. Ventrally, both innominate attached dorsally by each other by sacrum and ventrally attached by pubis symphysis. What is pubis symphysis? So pubis symphysis that attached with pubis of both innominate. Okay, pubis symphysis that attach pubis of both innominate. Okay, next that is about the acetabulum. Acetabulum. You know about the glenoid cavity. That's the humerus part of forelimb is attached in glenoid cavity. Okay. Similarly, the femur part of leg, femur part of hand limb is attached, articulate, innominate in acetabulum. Okay, what is acetabulum? The acetabulum is a cavity present in both innominate at junction of all three bones in which head of femur fits. Okay? For the attachment of humerus in the forelimb, glenoid cavity is present. In hand limb, for the attachment of articulation of femur, acetabulum is present. Okay? Acetabulum is a cavity that is present in both innominate. Okay, at junction of all three bones in which head of femur fits attached. Okay. Next about the hand limbs. As you know that in each forelimb has 30 bones. Each forelimb has 30 bones. Similarly, each hand limb has 30 bones. Okay, you can see here that hand limb 30 bones in each. Each hand limb has 30 bones. Where that 30 bones is present, whose bone is present in the hand limb, you can see here. First about the thing. in the thigh. Okay, in the thigh thing, femur bone is present. That's number is 1. Now I am talking about each handling. Not about the pair, not about the both handling. Now I am talking about the each limb. Okay, so clear on this point. Each in the thigh, in the thing, femur bone is present, and that number is 1. And for the fits of femur, for the articulate, for the attachment of femur, a cavity is present. That cavity is called acetabulum cavity. Okay, acetabulum cavity. So in the thigh, femur bone is present. That number is 1. In the knee, in the thigh, in the thing, which bone is present? Femur bone. That number is 1. In the knee, also one bone is present. That bone is patella bone. Okay, that is also called knee cap. Okay, patella is called knee cap. Patella bone is present in knee, and this patella is also called knee cap. Its number is 1. Okay. Second, about the insect. Insect, 2 bone is present. One is tibia and other is fibula. Both number is 1 and 1. Tibia is number 1 and femur bone's number is also 1. But different in both is this, that tibia bone is a longer bone and fibula is a shorter bone. Tibia is a longer bone and fibula is a shorter bone. This is the difference between the tibia and fibula. Second, next about the ankle. In the ankle, tarsus bone is present and that's number is 7. In one row, 3 bone is present in each row. In first row 3 bone present, and in second row 4 bone is present in ankle. Okay, which bone is present in ankle? Tarsus. Next, about the sole. In the sole, metatarsus bone is present. That's the number is 5. Okay. Next, about the digits. This means finger of leg, finger of handlings. That's which bone is present in digits, fingers. To phalanges bone is present in fingers, digits. Okay, that's number is 14. 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. This is the numbers of digits, fingers, phalanges bones in digits, in finger of handlings. So this is the completely knowledge about the pelvic girdle and handlings. So you never forget about this. Okay, because this is the general knowledge. If you have not a knowledge of general knowledge of our body, then how can you understand the function of our body? So you remember, care on each point and try to solve all MCQ of biology. After that, if you are unable to solve any questions, then ask from me in the comment box. After that, I will give you the reply of that questions. Okay.